Greetings everyone, and welcome to another wonderful microeconomics video. Thanks so much for choosing to spend some of your time here today with me as we're doing this video. And thank you to my students for sending me some of these problems so that I can make these videos. So in this prompt we're told that Mimi plays golf 5 times per month when the price is 40. So that means that the P1 is going to be $40, and then my Q1 is going to be equal to 5. And then we're told that when the price is $50, then the quantity for just Mimi, Q2 rather, would be 4 times. So now knowing this, we can go ahead and use our formula, right? Our elasticity of demand is equal to the percentage change in the quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in the price. And each one of these, we know, have their own separate definitions, right? Where the percentage change in the quantity demanded is my quantity demanded 2 minus my quantity demanded 1 divided by my quantity demanded 1 plus quantity demanded 2 divided by 2, right? Because we're using what? Our midpoint method of calculating percentage changes. Similarly, for prices, we're going to have P2 minus P1 all over P1 plus P2 over 2. All right, so now knowing that, we can go ahead and put these values in. Right? I know that my Q2 is 4 and my Q1 is 5. So this is going to be 4 minus 5 all over 5 plus 4 divided by 2. So this is going to give me negative 1 over, and this is going to be 9 over 2. And so the way that we can do this and keep this in a fraction is we can go ahead and flip this fraction on the denominator. So this is equivalent to negative 2 over 9. So that is our, and then of course, in order to do a percentage change, we have to do times 100, right? And let's go ahead and see what's 2 divided by 9. I think it's 0.2222, yep. So this is going to be negative 22.22%, right? That is our percentage change in my quantity. Excellent. Now what about my price? Well, again, my price, I've got my P2, and then I've got my P1 right there. So I'm going to do 50 minus 40 all over 40 plus 50 divided by 2. And so this is going to be 50 minus 40 is 10. And this is going to be 40 plus 50 is 90 divided by 2. Again, we can do that similar kind of thing, right, where we can, to separate this out, this is equal to 10 over 1 times 2 over 90. And so the 10 and the 90 cancel out, and we end up with just 2 over 9. And again, 2 over 9 is going to be 0.222 repeating. But of course, this is a percentage change, so we're going to do times 100, multiply it by 100, in order to get 22.2% increase in my price, by percentage change in my price. Now we know that the formula for the elasticity, right, is the absolute value of this. We know that the elasticity of demand, since it's demand, right, since it's a downward sloping demand, the elasticity between any 2 points in demand is going to be negative, right? As the price goes down, the quantity is always going to go up. So when we're talking about elasticity, we always take the absolute value of it, right? And so our last part of this is putting it all together. Our elasticity of demand is equal to the absolute value of my percentage change in quantity, my negative 22.22% divided by my positive 22.22%. And the absolute value of this is going to be absolute value of -1 or 1. So this is a unit elasticity, which is why that was the answer. All right, if you have any questions about that, please put a comment below or shoot me an email. Thanks so much.